What is up everyone, and welcome to this year's Inktober Sketchbook tour. This was my first Inktober I participated in, and I'm very happy that I could finish it till the end. So firstly I want to show you guys the tools I've used for this Inktober. For the sketching part I used this Graph Gear 1000.3. For inking I used these three pens and brushes. The first one is a Copic multiliner, the second is called Micro and Sakura, and the last one is an Ecoline brush pen. And of course I have used a ruler, a tape, and this stick eraser from Pentel. So now I'll move into the sketchbook tour. The sketchbook I have used, it's a watercolor sketchbook, but I can't remember its name. The first 2 days of this Inktober were ring and mindless, so I decided to draw Sonic and Luffy from the anime One Piece. The next day I drew Tom and Jerry, where as you can see Jerry is the bait. On the left side I drew Todoroki Shoto and the right side SpongeBob. Here I drew this husky from Kuroko no Basket, an enchanted table that is in the game of Minecraft. After that I drew Escanor from 7 Deadly Sins and Naruto. On this day I drew this pattern with the clouds of Akatsuki, and the right one is Gray from Fairy Tail. Here we can see Shenron and Ash from Pokemon. Then I drew No Face from Spirited Away and Broly from the movie of Dragon Ball Super that aired this year. After that I drew All Might in his normal form and Hisoka from Hunter x Hunter. On the left, the Scanix drawing was very fun to draw, and on the right side I went out of ideas. I did Tanjiro's earring. On this day I drew a man running into a treadmill, but as you can see I smudged the ink with my finger, and Goldie Roger. In this one I did Casper and the stone face from JoJo Bizarre Adventure. This Midoriya drawing is one of the best ones I did in this Inktober. And there's Goku eating clouds. I had fun drawing Yami from Black Clover, and the right one is Shinki from Boruto. Here I did Kiki from Kiki's Delivery Service and Dardans from One Piece. And finally, the last two drawings of this year's Inktober. The left one is Gon and the right fruit is Gomu Gomu no Mi. In the end, all I have to say is that it was quite a successful month. I had fun participating and drawing with millions of other artists daily. I want to thank every single one of you who supported me during this month, and hope you like this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to support my work. Stay tuned for future videos, and I wish you all the best.